When you do not use the printer for an extended period, you can use a moisturizing device to protect the printhead. Pour the moisturizing fluid into a bottle. Place one end of the moisturizing device into the bottle. Use a syringe to draw the moisturizing fluid into the new ink cartridges. Remove the original ink cartridges from the machine and seal it in a plastic bag to prevent ink leakage. Install the new ink cartridges full of moisturizing fluid onto printer. Then draw ink from the waste ink tube. Make sure you draw out 10 milliliters of moisturizing liquid so that it can fill the entire ink path to protect the printhead. Power on and start the printer. Clean the printhead in the software to ensure the moisturizing fluid has run through the ink path.